Hey there, detective. So, even on the weekend, you need to rescue yourself from housework.
Haha, Ezreal, only you would turn washing dishes into a life or death mission. But yeah, weekends are when I tackle everything around the house. What about you? What's the plan today?
I was thinking, I'd try cooking something new. Though honestly, I'm more scared of the kitchen than I am of monsters.
Oh, really? And here you were bragging about your cooking skills. I'm picturing you burning rice and then dancing around like you're fighting a dragon.
Haha, nailed it. But cooking is just like adventuring. You have to observe, anticipate, and pray. Nothing explodes.
Sounds like Ezreal making excuses for inevitable failure, doesn't it?
Maybe. But at least, I've learned one vital survival tip. If you want to make it out of the kitchen alive, wear safety goggles.
Fair enough. Me? I take the safe route, just buy pastries.
Haha, still the smart one. Oh, speaking of which, yesterday I tried cleaning my closet. Total disaster.
Wait, what happened?
An old shirt just vanished. I searched everywhere. I think it went off on its own adventure.
An adventuring shirt? Probably wanted to be more like you chasing treasure.
Could be. Or maybe it just needed a weekend off.
Anyway, weekends are for resting. What do you do to actually relax?
Watch a few adventure movies. Then, go hunt for antiques at the flea market.
Hunting antiques? You really do turn everything into a quest.
Because adventure isn't just out there, it's in cafes, in books, or inside an awesome movie too.
Classic Ezreal. Always turning the tiniest things into epic tales.
That's the power of imagination. Though honestly, I do crave a truly peaceful weekend sometimes.
Peaceful? Coming from you? That sounds weird.
Haha, Ezreal style peace. Still adventuring in my head, just without setting the kitchen on fire.
Got it. So your weekend is imaginary adventures. Mine is cleaning, reading, and drinking coffee like right now.
Sounds balanced. Quick question, what's your weekend morning ritual?
Coffee, soft music, newspaper. Sometimes a walk in the park.
That's way too orderly. Me. I try weird stuff using a water bottle as a hand weight, flipping coins for luck.
Haha, only you could turn ordinary life into a game.
Exactly. Weekends are for turning a boring world.
I actually love how you see life so cheerful and full of humor.
Thanks, Caitlyn. I'm really glad this weekend I get to have coffee with you. Otherwise, it'd just be me, loneliness, and charred flour.
Haha, next time you cook, I'll bring a fire extinguisher.
Deal.
Be honest, how was your week? Any real adventures? Or just racing deadlines?
Deadlines. Ugh, the real monster. I barely escaped being swallowed by emails and spreadsheets.
Haha, sounds like you just survived a massive battle.
Totally. Every morning I open the laptop is like opening a dungeon gate. You never know what monster waits. Spam, surprise meetings, or nameless reports.
I know the feeling, busy all week, yet trying to keep a clear head.
And I still believe my adventuring skills get me through anything.
So what was this week's adventuring skill?
Haha. The surprise attack strategy. Write emails at the last second. Storm into meetings unprepared.
Ezreal. That's equal parts reckless and lucky.
Exactly. Luck and coffee. Without coffee, I couldn't fight at all.
Same here. Every morning needs one cup just to stay sharp.
Yet you always stay so calm. Watching you handle work, I'm genuinely admire it.
Admire, that's new, but thank you. Truth is, every job gets exhausting. The key is knowing when to pause.
Pause. Right. Like yesterday, I took a 5-minute break from battling reports to play a game.
Haha, and those 5 minutes turned into how many?
Around 40.
Pure Ezreal style.
But hey, it gave me the energy to keep writing.
I get it. My trick is breaking tasks into small chunks, finishing one, then rewarding myself with a few minutes of fun.
That sounds like a carefully planned expedition.
Exactly. And when the week ends, that sense of accomplishment feels amazing.
Haha, the defeated the boss monster feeling, right?
Yes, though next week's monster is already waiting, Ezreal.
I know. But let's call this week a small victory.
Honestly, I love how you face work tough stuff, yet you still find joy in it.
That's life. Caitlyn, if we only saw work as pressure, we'd never have anything to laugh about.
You're right. Though next week I've got a few complicated cases waiting.
Cases. Huh. Need an apprentice detective to help?
Maybe, as long as you promise not to mess up the files.
I promise I'll be careful. About 90% careful.
Ezreal, 50% would already save the day.
Then I'm golden. I'll bring all my adventuring skills next week in coffee.
I can feel the spirit already. Busy week ahead, but we still know how to enjoy it.
Exactly. And next weekend, meet you back here so you can tell me work stories like real adventures.
Haha. Let's call this cafe our official safe rest stop between weekly adventures.
It's the weekend we're allowed to float between reality and imagination, right?
Floating, huh? Tell me, what new fantasy did you cook up today?
Imagine one day we're characters in a comic. You'd be the ultimate detective, and me, the dashing adventurer or the monster.
Dashing adventurer, obviously. Monsters are for the unlucky ones.
Haha, perfect. Then let me tell you today's little quest. I fought a broken coffee machine.
A broken coffee machine? Sounds like a legendary kitchen showdown.
Oh, it was. It sprayed water everywhere. I charged in like I was facing a fire dragon, and ended up with coffee all over the table.
Haha, surely you learned something?
Lesson 1. Coffee machines have moods. Lesson 2. Always keep paper towels and a raincoat ready.
Haha, Ezreal, you really do turn everything into an adventure.
That's the magic of imagination. Your turn, Caitlyn. Any fun little stories from your week?
Actually, while on patrol, I met a very serious cat. It stared at me like it was reviewing my entire case file.
Sounds like a tough interrogation.
Totally. I had to speak gently, show respect, and eventually it jumped onto the chair and became my ally.
Wow, a silent victory. Even cats bow to Caitlyn.
Every creature has its own way of testing me.
Love that. Life is full of little challenges, not just in missions or work.
True. And sometimes those silly moments are the best stress relief.
Speaking of stress relief, chatting nonsense with you is the best medicine I've found.
Haha, Ezreal, definitely a psychological adventure.
Exactly. A few random stories, a couple of laughs, and the whole stressful week just flies away.
Then, this weekend really is a proper victory.
Keep imagining. What if we opened an adventure cafe where customers share their own stories? And I'd be behind the counter telling tales of rogue coffee machines and flaming shirts.
Haha, great idea. I'd be the detective barista investigating who orders coffee too strong or too sweet.
An adventure cafe full of laughter, stories, and the occasional coffee machine monster.
I love how you see the world, Ezreal. Life gets so much more fun with silly stories and imagination.
And in the end, whether it's real adventure or everyday stuff, what matters is having a partner to laugh with and share coffee.
Exactly. This weekend, we're not just drinking coffee, we're recharging our adventure spirits.
Haha, perfect. So the new week starts with the best mood possible.
And one more cup to welcome whatever challenges come.
Deal. Every adventure should start with a smile.
Absolutely. A smile, coffee, and a dash of imaginary adventure.
Perfect.